All right, today I'm troubleshooting Outlook. Going to show you some of the more common problems and how we fix them. One of the most common problems with Outlook is going to be the profile or the cache file that Outlook uses. That's an OST file. It's in a hidden folder inside the user's profile inside the app data folder. The easiest way to determine if this is the problem you're experiencing or not is to go into your mail settings and then look at your profiles. You'll see at least one profile here. You want to select the one that you're actually using, go to Properties, Email Accounts, and then click on the email account that you're using, and you can turn off cached mode right here. Go ahead and restart Outlook. If Outlook is working, then now you know the cache file is your problem. You can just navigate to that folder where the cache file is stored, delete the cache file, restart Outlook, turn this option back on, restart Outlook, and it will regenerate that cache file for you. Another really common problem with Outlook is corrupt mail profiles. Again, in the control panel here, you would click on Mail, go to Show Profiles. You can add a new profile. You can have as many as you want, so I would just add it alongside the one that you've got for testing purposes. Go ahead and put in your password. Okay, we don't need to set up a phone. We'll say Finish. Then you want to change this option down here to your test profile. Go ahead and start Outlook, see if it works. If it is working, now you know that the profile was the problem. Another really common problem we run into with Windows 10 and Windows 11 is inside the Settings app here, and then under Accounts, you should see Work and School Accounts right here. Looks a little bit different on Windows 10, but it's very much the same. It still says Work and School Accounts. You should see that account in question, and you can disconnect it right here. Once it disconnects, you can then go ahead and re-add it. That will solve a lot of problems with Outlook. The last solution I have for you is a repair install of Outlook, or actually the entire Office suite. You would do that in the control panel under Programs and Features. You'll find your install of Office 365. Hit Change, and then you want to select Online Repair. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. If these don't solve it for you, this is a more complicated problem, leave me a message and I'll see if I can help you out.